In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books in this comprehensive guide for 2025. This process is crucial for optimizing how your business operates within Zoho Books, ensuring that each team member has the right access to the features they need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go into your Zoho Books account. For this demo, we'll be starting from the Invoices section. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Do you see the little gear icon? That's the settings menu. Click on that icon to begin setting up user roles and inviting users. It's your gateway to a myriad of customizations that Zoho Books allows. Once you've accessed the settings, the next step is to navigate to the Users and Roles section. This is your control center for everything related to user management within Zoho Books. By clicking on Users, you'll be able to see a list of all the individuals currently associated with your Zoho Books account. Here, you can manage existing users or add new ones, but we'll get to that in a bit. Now let's head over to the Roles tab. This is where you'll define or review existing roles within your organization. Roles determine what each user can view or edit, so it's essential to organize these well. You can review existing roles, modify them, or even create new ones to align with your organizational needs. Make sure you pay attention to how these roles are set up because they dictate what information users will be able to access. Once you're satisfied with how your roles are defined, you might want to check out the User Preferences section. This space allows you to tweak how user information is displayed and managed. Customizing these settings can streamline how your team interacts with Zoho Books, making everyday tasks more intuitive. Ready to invite new users? Navigate back to the Users section and look for the Invite User option. Clicking this will open an invitation form. Here you'll type in the new user's name and email address. It's crucial to ensure email addresses are correct because Zoho Books will use this to send out the invitations. After that, you'll assign them a role that corresponds to their responsibilities. Choosing the right role is critical as it determines the breadth of access they'll have. The last step is to hit Send Invite. This action will email an invitation link to the new user, granting them access to your Zoho Books account according to the permissions you've set. By following these steps, you ensure that your Zoho Books environment is secure and efficient, and that everyone on your team has the tools they need to succeed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up user roles and inviting users in Zoho Books for 2025. Feel free to watch other tutorials for more tips and tricks.